Number 1.
1988 GMC 1500, price $6,500. It has 274,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, which has been recently rebuilt. With paperwork to verify the work done, the truck features a striking red exterior and a super clean red interior, including the original door panels. It's a clean Arkansas truck with no major rust issues and is ready to drive. It comes equipped with power windows and power door locks, offering added comfort and convenience. While the truck runs and drives well, it does need a few minor fixes. The door lock cylinders need to be replaced, though all the necessary parts are included. Additionally, the radiator leaks slightly at the petcock. The paint is rough in areas, but overall, it remains a very solid foundation for a restoration or daily driver project. Included with the truck is a set of like new 454 SS wheels, tires, center caps, and lug covers, which further enhance its value and appeal.
Number 2.
1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,000, well-preserved example of a classic heavy-duty truck, showing just 135,000 miles on the odometer, a relatively low number for its age. Powered by a strong and reliable gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, this truck delivers dependable performance and long-lasting durability. The exterior, finished in silver, remains solid and free from major damage, with only minor signs of wear consistent with its vintage. Inside, the gray interior is clean, well-kept, and offers a spacious and comfortable cabin experience. It's clear that the vehicle has been well maintained over the years. In addition, the truck comes with brand new tires, adding to its road readiness.
Number 3.
1986 GMC 1500, price $10,000, with only 94,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, this truck runs on gasoline and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it features a reliable 350 small block Chevy engine paired with long tube headers and Flowmaster mufflers, delivering a classic rumble and strong performance. Despite its age, the truck is remarkably clean and the paint is in excellent condition, making it stand out wherever it goes. There are a few small rust spots on the body, but nothing major. Both fuel tanks are fully functional, and a brand new exhaust system has recently been installed, along with new headlights. It rides on brand new wheels and tires with less than 50 miles on them, and the sale also includes the original rally wheels with decent tires. The truck starts right up every time and is mechanically dependable, although the transmission has begun to show some issues in the top gear. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1982 Dodge D150, price $7,900, with approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 4-speed manual transmission paired with the reliable slant 6 engine, delivering a smooth and easy cruising experience. Finished in tan both inside and out, the truck retains a classic, cohesive look. While the exterior has an older repaint with some chips, peeling, and minor surface rust, there is no unsightly rot, and it still presents well as a dependable daily driver or weekend errand runner. Recent updates include new front brakes, a fresh seat cover, bed rails, and a retro-style stereo, along with other thoughtful touches. It runs and drives exceptionally well, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to enjoy a vintage truck that still has plenty of life left in it.
Number 5.
1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,800. This truck is a rust-free example that has never seen a winter, preserving its solid body in clean condition. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, this classic truck is powered by a strong 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed transmission and 4x4 capability, making it both reliable and rugged. The truck has traveled 174,000 miles and continues to run and drive smoothly. It features power windows for added convenience and rides on a 6-inch rough country lift kit with brand new 35 by 12.5 by 15 tires, giving it an aggressive stance and off-road readiness. It comes with a clean title and is an excellent option for anyone seeking a dependable, lifted classic truck that still turns heads on and off the road.
Number 6.
1976 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,500. It features a beige exterior paired with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable small block 350 V8 engine mated to a TH350 automatic transmission. The truck comes equipped with power steering and power brakes, making it an easy and enjoyable vehicle to drive. Despite its age and visible rust, this truck is mechanically solid and ready to hit the road. It has received several recent updates, including a new radiator, new tires, a rebuilt carburetor, new spark plugs and wires, and a fresh oil change. Thanks to these improvements, it runs smoothly at highway speeds, holding 70 miles per hour with no problem. The interior features tinted windows in all working gauges and lights, ensuring functionality and comfort during drives.
Number 7.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,790. This truck is a strong and reliable 4x4 pickup, powered by a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 183,000 miles on the odometer, it has proven its durability and remains in excellent running condition. The truck features a classic green exterior and a clean beige interior, making it both rugged and stylish, a collectible in its own right. This Sierra has had only 3 owners and has never been involved in any accidents. Exceptionally clean inside and out, this is the kind of truck that enthusiasts and practical buyers alike will appreciate.
Number 8.
1988 Ford F250, price $6,000, equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and a strong 460 big block V8 engine. With 130,000 miles and still being used daily, it runs and drives great even cruising straight down the interstate. The engine has 0 leaks and is paired with a smooth dual exhaust system that sounds deep but not obnoxious. The truck is finished in blue inside and out, with a very clean body, minimal rust, and a mint condition interior. It includes 3 sets of keys, power windows and locks, newer tires, full window tint, and a heavy-duty adjustable rear towing bumper with trailer brake controls. Front brake calipers are new, and while the rear brakes feel soft, it stops fine. New parts and rear shocks are included but not yet installed. The gauge cluster could use replacement, as only the speedometer, RPM, and volts currently work.
Number 9.
1979 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500, equipped with a powerful automatic transmission and finished in a striking blue exterior. It runs and drives exceptionally well, thanks to a Chevy 350 V8 engine that has approximately 15,000 miles on it. This engine is built for performance, featuring a high-lift cam, roller rockers, an aluminum intake, and a 4-barrel racing carburetor. It breathes through headers connected to a 3-inch exhaust system, and it's kept cool by dual electric cooling fans. Fueling this classic is standard gasoline, and its aggressive stance comes courtesy of a 4 to 6-inch Classic Performance Products C-notch lowering kit, paired with all-new nitro drop shocks for improved handling and ride quality. Altogether, this C10 offers both vintage style and modern upgrades, making it a thrilling and reliable driver.
Number 10.
1985 Ford F250, price $8,000, features a carbureted inline-6 gasoline engine and automatic transmission. With 245,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives well for its age.
Finished in tan with a blue interior, the body is mostly straight, showing some dings and natural patina.
The worn paint was preserved with a clear coat to maintain its vintage character. Recent mechanical updates include a new fuel pump and fuel selector solenoid for the front tank, which works perfectly, a new radiator, water pump, and several sensors to keep it running cool and smooth. The rear fuel pump hasn't been replaced yet, but the truck runs fine off the front tank.
The timing is set correctly, and it starts and drives just as it should.